During President Obama's joint address to Congress, he threatened to call Americans out. He was going to call you out for spreading misinformation. Well, the Tea Party movement is about calling the White House out. It's about calling out President Obama for spreading misinformation about whether rationing would occur. It's about calling out Barack Obama for smearing the American people who are pushing back against those lies. David Axelrod, Chicago crony, we're calling you out. We're calling you out for calling us corporate shills while you're collecting millions in your back pocket from the same corporations you demonize. Michelle Obama, first crony of the United States, we're calling you out. We're not going to let you get away with smearing us as racists and sexists and haters for calling you out about what you did in Chicago. Foisting a patient dumping scheme on people that you said you represented. Dumping the poor and the minorities and outsourcing them to clear out bed space at the University of Chicago Medical Center for wealthier patients. If Michelle Obama were a Republican, that story would be on the front pages. Shirley Gibson and Katie Couric and The View, the ladies of The View, would be talking about it every single day. The chief underminer of the rule of law, the chief endangerment and menace to national security in this country. We're calling you out. We're calling you out for refusing to stand up for voter rights, for dropping the new Black Panther Party voter intimidation case, and then having the nerve to accuse the rest of us of being racial cowards. We're calling you out. Czars. Every last one of them. 30, 40, 50. Van Jones, you heard us call you out. Carol Browner. Socialist, tide, corporate crony, lobbyist, Beltway swamp creature, we're calling you out. John Holdren, eco-freak, population control freak, champion of mass abortions, forced sterilizations, taking away children from they who they deemed undesirable. We're calling you out. FCC czar Mark Lloyd, Soros-funded left-wing radical Center for American Progress, enemy of conservative talk radio. You're not going to take our free speech rights away from us. We're calling you out. Union thugs. And I hear there might be some here trying to counter-protest. You're not going to bully us. AFL-CIO, Brass, Service Employees International Union President Andy Stern, we're calling you out. They call us thugs while they don their purple shirts and beat up on peaceful town hall protesters. Andy Stern, who has specialized and perfected the art of bullying his own rank and file workers, while he's self-aggrandizing himself and has a seat at the table of every domestic policy initiative, from cap and trade, cap and tax, to the card check bill, to health care, we're calling you out. Republican and sellouts. Don't think you're safe. The 8 House Republicans who voted for the cap and tax monstrosity, we know your names. We're calling you out. Republicans who helped pre-socialize the economy for Barack Obama, we're calling you out. Republicans who think it's their job to go to Washington and tell the rest of us to moderate and be quiet while they sell us out, we're calling you out. After Election Day, a lot of Beltway and Manhattan navel gazers and chin pullers said that we needed to rebrand the Republican Party and the conservative movement, that we needed to be more like Barack. You were wrong, and we're calling you out. In the pages of the leaked publications, there was a question of fretting and moaning. Who will lead us? Who will lead us? No, it's you. Do it yourself. You did not wait for Washington and the top-down organizations and structures to lead you. You did it yourself. And it's that spirit of self-reliance that infuses this movement and inspires me every day. I never take for granted the blessings that I have to live in this country, to be here, to be an American. We fight hard to secure the blessings of liberty, domestic tranquility, to promote the general welfare for ourselves and our posterity. Fight